Dr. K here again for Doctor of Acupuncture. Flu season is here, so somehow the weather is getting cold. One of the symptoms is sore throat. So for me, I can readily remove sore throat through massaging your throat. So from hyoid bone, in the middle here, you have to massage the larynx area here. Just massage. So what I said before, releasing is counterclockwise. So you do like this. And another acupuncture point is lung it's between the thinner muscles. In between here, you have to press it. If you have a sore throat, it's mostly sensitive, this area. So when you press it, it's kind of painful. And another one is lung 11. This is the point. So press this hard and it will trigger the immune system for the lung 11, lung 12. There are lots of points for treatment. So if you want to learn more, follow me and I will give more details, information about acupuncture. So I am in YouTube, Dr. K, Doctor of Acupuncture, as well in TikTok, and in Instagram and Facebook, Karen Grace Kaday Crisper. So I'm doing home service in Sherwood Park, Edmonton, and Fort Saskatchewan. And this is my number. Text only. Okay, talk to you next time. Bye bye.